good morning. Christmas vibes, jingle, jingle, jingle. So I'm heading off to the kitchen with this lovely apron that my mom and dad gifted me. I need to figure out how to wear this. I don't normally wear aprons while cooking, so this is something new. Maybe I'm meant to, but I don't get dirty, so. But just getting into the spirit of Christmas. So yeah, today I'll be wearing this and cooking. The reason to think about my parents, isn't it? This is a mug my mom gave me as well as a gift. So normally every day I sip on my black tea. I make my black tea and drink it from this mug that my mom gave me. So every day, I pray for their good health and long life, and also for their blessings in mine and my son's life, because it's after my adopted parents came into our lives that a lot of blessings as well started coming in. So I'm very thankful to God for putting them in the place of my parents and my son's grandparents. Yeah, through like this, every day I end up thinking about mom and dad, and it's good. So anyway, so let's get on with today's dish. So it's I'm going to make a nice, lovely, creamy sandwich. It's the boiled egg, lettuce, cheese, and mayonnaise sandwich. So it's a creamy egg, lettuce, and cheese sandwich. Let's call it that. So. Stay tuned, watch and enjoy, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Now let's head over to the kitchen. How do I look, guys, in this lovely little Christmas apron gift that my mom gave me? So it's a lovely Christmas gift for my parents, from mom and dad. Nice flashy way to get into the kitchen today, isn't it? It's so hot here in Brisbane today, oh my goodness. But yeah, so when I was a kid, I got a lot of love from my grandma. Her name was Charlotte. I got to, since I mentioned my parents, I would love to mention her as well. So she was the one who actually showed me, what love means and the meaning of unconditional love and things like that. So I learned a lot from her, and she means a lot to me. So even mom and dad, they give me when I'm in their presence, is the same vibes that I feel. They give me the similar sort of affection and nurturing and care. So that's why I think I feel very comforted when I'm in their presence. So yeah, so more than parents, they remind me of my grandma, especially my mom. She reminds me of my grandma. So that's another reason why they mean a lot to me. So yeah, just gonna get into the kitchen now. Bowl, I added in about 200 grams of lettuce. I chopped it up roughly, seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Here I got my eggs boiling. Once it's boiled, I'm going to strain the water and take off the shells. Now you have two options. You can either spread the butter onto each individual bread slices, but here I've got some melted butter. I'm waiting for it to cool down a bit to a room temperature, and then I'm going to pour it off into the bowl with the lettuce. So you can see it's about half a cup of butter. You can even brush this onto the bread slices. So either way, we just want that lovely flavor to go into the sandwich. There we everyone, here's our lovely boiled eggs. Now I'm going to chop it up into small pieces. There we are. So now we can put the egg off into the bowl along with the lettuce. But before I actually do that, I'm going to add in some sauces into this. It all depends on how creamy you want it to be. So some people like it extra creamy. Some just don't like too much of sauce. They like the fresh flavors. So I'm going to add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of whole egg creamy mayo. And I'm going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard mayo. So it'll give it a nice kick. And next I'm going to add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of this coconut sweet chili sauce. My goodness, it's really hard to squeeze this out. Maybe I'll just pour it in like this. So if you want a little bit of spice, you can add in some chili sauce as well, hot chili sauce. Then I'm going to add in a handful of shredded cheese into that. This is the pizza blend cheese. It's got mozzarella, cheddar and parmesan cheeses. Now melted butter has cooled down a bit, so we can pour that in to that. You don't need to add in so much butter if you don't like the idea. Just add in according to your personal preference how much quantity you want. And then I went ahead and added in the boiled eggs, and this will be the filling for our sandwich. So once you combine it together. And speaking of that, when you look at it, it actually looks like a little salad as well, doesn't it? It's like a nice, lovely salad. There's Mr. Passion walking about in the kitchen. He's been scratching and trying to get rid of his cone collar. So if you guys saw his desexing video, you'll know why he has this little cone collar around his neck and around his head. Hey, what are you doing in my kitchen? Moo, 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 moo. Anyway, so back to the dish. I'm gonna combine it all together nicely. Look at it, nice and creamy and buttery. So you can combine it all together. Ooh, look at this. Lovely, amazing flavors. Wonderful. See? So you can see how nice and creamy it is. Look at this texture. It just smells so divine and flavorsome. Alright, so once we got it all combined nicely, we can take the slices of bread and put the filling into it and turn it into a nice lovely sandwich. Also, another thing that you can do, and which I prefer doing to keep it nice and crisp, is to put this in the fridge for about 15 minutes. So that'll make it nice and cool and crunchy and crispy. So that's what I'm going to do before I put this filling off into the bread. So just cover it with a cling wrap and place it off into the fridge. Everyone, so once I've taken it out of the fridge, you can see that it's holding everything together a bit more nicer. See, it's more, it's combined together. It's more stiff. It's not as watery. It's much more creamy because even that butter has got, you know, chance to set and combine. It's not as watery as it is anymore. So just give it a good mix around, and then we can place it off as a filling onto the bread. So you can either, you know, leave the bread as it is, or in this case I've just taken off the crusts on the sides, and I'm going to take a spoonful of it. Look at it, so nice, lovely and creamy. The cracked pepper, and you can see a little bit of chili flakes. So place that filling onto one of the bread slices. So it's got butter and everything already in it, so we don't need to add on anything extra. So the amount of filling depends on your personal preference, how much you want to put in there. See? Nice and creamy. There we are. Lovely, isn't it? And we can just place other slice of bread on top of it. And there it is, our lovely creamy sandwich. Look at the egg and the lettuce and everything. Yum, yum. So there we are. So I cut it into half. So look at it, so lovely. So you don't necessarily have to use just egg pieces. You can even use boiled chicken or fish. You know, it's up to your personal preference. You can go for prawns, crab meat. Either way, it'll be nice and creamy. And there we are, everyone. So just went ahead and garnished the plate with a little bit of, just drizzled on some of that sweet chili and coconut sauce that we added in into the sandwich while we were preparing the dish. So nice and simple. Here I went ahead and made another one. Here I just left the crust of the bread intact. You know, it's very easy. Just take this filling. Look at it, nice and creamy and juicy. You know, take everything, place it onto the bread, put another slice of bread on top, and it's ready. And to enhance the flavor, you can even add in a little bit of tomato ketchup. But either way, it's still nice, lovely, and delicious. So yeah, look at it. Let me know your thoughts by commenting on the comment section. If you have any suggestions to add anything extra, or you know, anything like that, maybe a little bit of ginger garlic powder or spices. But I like it nice and simple. I think this is really flavorsome and really nice, simple, but yet it's colorful, creamy, juicy, tasty. I mean, by juicy I just meant saucy. But look at it, everyone, so nice, so creamy. It's not at all difficult to make it. You can even add in some small cut up bacon pieces, like small pieces of bacon into that. That might add in even crispy bacon, you know, that might, because egg and bacon combination is also Yum. There we are, and put another bread slice on top, and that's it. That's cracked pepper, by the way, on the bread. As you guys can see, we added in a lot of cracked pepper, and then just cut it up and it's ready. That's how easy it is to make this once you have done up the filling. So this will also make a lovely kids special sandwich because it's not spicy at all. So my son's coming to try it. So he's washed his hands and everything. So ready to have a bite of this lovely creamy egg sandwich. So big bite. Yum, yum. Ooh, it's creamy and juicy, isn't it? And apart from that, here it is, everyone. Egg, lettuce, cheese and mayo creamy sandwich is ready. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Take care. Enjoy. Bye. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and recipes. Take care. Bye.